all your videos, and you could sort them alphabetically, by date, or by grossness. Pretty rockin' website, huh?
Yeah, but I wrote down some other stuff I want on the site. Here.
Whoa. This is a lot of notes.
Yep.
And what am I supposed to do with this drawing of me being attacked by a tiger?
Nothing. I just got bored.
This is too much work.
The contract that we both signed says you gotta make any changes I want or else you don't get paid.
What? Oh, I am calling that lawyer your mom's dating.
Too late. She's dating a rabbi now. Hey, Spencer.
Hi.
Whoa! I almost didn't recognize you guys not sitting on my couch. How goes it?
Good.
Bad.
Well then.
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah, I need 4 large smoothies. Make 2 of them strawberry splats and...
Want some bagels?
What?
We sell bagels now.
Oh, cool, but no, I don't want any bagels. Just 2 strawberry splat smoothies and...
Try some bagels.
I don't want any bagels.
Come on, don't be a jerk.
A jerk? Dude, I just want smoothies.
What you got against bagels?
All right, I'll take a dozen bagels too, okay? Here.
Thanks, but the bagels won't be ready for an hour.
Gas bubble!
Huh?